Hello, Jamie and Marcus here. Hi,
Facebook.
everybody.
Hello, Facebook.
Hello, Facebook.
Facebook Live. We are here in Long Island still. We're in the North Fork. We're heading back
I know,
to...
we haven't left yet.
We haven't left yet. We just found out 3 miles down the road, Nathan, who just did our tour and tasting here and at
Sparkling Point.
Sparkling
We're at
Point.
Sparkling Point right now.
Sparkling Point. He has a friend down the road that has a...
Oysters.
Oyster stand. An oyster stand. He goes, you pull right up. His truck is there. The Yeti coolers are there. You pull up and you get oysters shucked
And ready to go.
So
we're gonna
oysters
stop
are going to be
there.
our lunch. But right now we're at Sparkling Point.
I even said let's stay another night.
The hotel's booked.
But we gotta go.
The hotel's booked. So, but we've made some amazing connections this week here in the Long Island.
I know we keep saying
Finger Lakes. We made some
amazing.
amazing connections. We met some owners, winemakers, producers, distributors, some really amazing places. So this is Sparkling Point. This is the fermentation part. The building next door is where they do the disgorgement of all their quote unquote champagnes or sparklers. Folks, New York sparkling wine, the traditional method, the champagne method, has putting New York on the map for sparkling wines. The stuff is amazing. They actually went to France, to Champagne, and took a gold medal from Champagne against champagnes. So this is the fermentation room here. There's another one right over here. Other side, you can't see it. I forgot what they said. They make like 11,000 cases a year or so of sparklers. Really an amazing spot. So check this out with us if you want to come down here. If you want to come down here without us, just let us know. We'd be happy to call and make a reservation for you and get you in to any of these places that we know that we've befriended. Phone call.
Phone call, reservation, and ordering food to go. So.
Okay, all kinds of things. So we are going to get on the road because we have to.
It's time to go home.
Time to go home. So if you want to try any of these wines that we've tried this week, we'll have all of them in stock at Aroma Time. Some are in stock already. Some are in our car right now on our way back, and some will be delivered from a distributor next week.
And we're going to do a wine dinner with Long Island Wines on May 10th. 4 wines and a dish, and we have to figure out the price. We said $29. It might be a little bit more if we throw one of these sparkling wines in there.
It would be a little more, yeah.
So we'll figure that out, let you know. But if you want to taste some wines with us, you want to travel with us, let us know. And that's
if you're watching live, drop a comment, #live. If it's on the replay, #replay.
I don't think there's great reception in here.
There isn't great reception.
So hopefully people will see it and rewatch it. We'll resend it. So hope everybody has an awesome day, and we'll hopefully
see you back in New York.
Yeah.
In Aroma Time.
Yep.